If you're considering upgrading your home security with a smart lock, August Home is one of the most well-known brands on the market. Their locks promise convenience, security, and seamless integration with smart home ecosystems. But does it really live up to the hype? In this review, I'll take you through my personal experience using August Home smart locks, covering everything from installation to day-to-day use. Starting with installation, August Home claims their smart locks are easy to install on existing deadbolts without needing a professional. In my experience, setup was straightforward, but not as effortless as advertised. The lock itself attaches easily, but getting the app to recognize the device took some troubleshooting. If you're not tech-savvy, expect to spend extra time pairing your lock with your phone. Once set up, the app offers remote control over your lock, activity logs, and even integration with smart assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. In daily use, the convenience of keyless entry is a game changer. Auto unlock is a great feature, but it's not flawless. Sometimes it unlocks the door as expected, but other times there's a delay where it doesn't trigger at all. The ability to send virtual keys to guests is a plus, especially for Airbnb hosts or anyone needing to grant temporary access. The battery life is decent, but if you forget to replace them in time, you could find yourself locked out, which is a major downside. Security-wise, August Home claims bank-level encryption, but no smart lock is completely hack-proof. The good news is that it retains the traditional key hold, so if the smart features fail, you can still use a physical key. However, some users have reported issues with the lock not engaging properly, which could be frustrating in emergencies. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the best features is the DoorSense technology, which alerts you if the door is left ajar. This is a great security feature, but in my testing, it wasn't always accurate. Sometimes it sent false alerts, which became annoying over time. Another concern is connectivity. While the built-in Wi-Fi model eliminates the need for an additional bridge, Wi-Fi connectivity can be unreliable. If your internet goes down, so does remote access. Compared to competitors like Schlage and Yale, August Home's advantage is its compatibility with existing deadbolts, making it a good choice for renters. However, the price is on the higher end, and while it offers excellent features, the occasional connectivity and app issues could be deal breakers for some users. So, is August Home worth it? If you prioritize convenience and already have a smart home setup, it can be a great addition. But if you're looking for a completely flawless experience, you might want to consider alternatives. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you used an August smart lock before? What was your experience? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more smart home reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.